India has a well-established track record of conducting free and fair elections. But to make electronic voting more transparent, the Election Commission is now ready to introduce voter verifiable paper audit trail in EVMs. The Election Commission held a meeting with representatives of major national and regional political parties today who've backed the move.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी की तरफ से हमने मांग की है कि लोकसभा के चुनाव चाहे 2013 के अंत में हो या 2014 के अंत में हो, ईवीएम मशीन जो बदलाव के साथ बनी है उस ईवीएम मशीन का इस्तेमाल किया जाए.
Election Commission has agreed to back up with paper voting also. That means printer also they have added. Earlier there are 2 units. Now they have added one more unit, that is a printer unit. Voter can see whom he has voted after voting. That is a good system. The details we ask them to work it out. This is a big breakthrough, and also we'll have some more measures in this process. One is this system we endorsed, and also they have to take some more technical aspects. One is best paper they have to use. That papers has to be preserved for 5 years. There is any legal dispute. All these things they have to act.
The left parties have expressed the hope that with the new system in place, voters' grievances related to EVMs will get resolved.
चुनाव आयोग पर विश्वास करना पड़ेगा. ऐसे तमाम रास्ते बनाने पड़ेंगे जिसमें इन ईवीएम मशीन के साथ छेड़छाड़ न हो सके.
In the paper trail system, when a voter presses the button for the candidate of his choice in the electronic voting machine, a paper ballot containing the serial number, name of the candidate and poll symbol will be printed, and the voter can verify it. But the voter will not be allowed to take the slip home to ensure the secrecy of ballot. The Election Commission has informed the Supreme Court some time back in response to a PIL against EVMs that it will introduce the paper trail system to make the machines more reliable. It's unclear whether the new system will be in place before the next general elections. 13 lakh new EVMs are required to be put in place countrywide at a cost of 1700 crore rupees. It's likely to be tested first in a by-poll.
हमारा एग्जिस्टिंग सिस्टम भी फेयर है, उसमें कुछ भी डाउट नहीं है, वो भी फुल प्रूफ सिस्टम है. ये तो एडिशनल कॉन्फिडेंस मेजर है.
The new paper trail system will also enable an election official to manually recount ballots if an election result is disputed, leaving lesser room for political parties to move courts in such cases. With Rishi Kumar in Delhi, Bureau Report, DD News.